Do you want a floor that shines like never before, and all without chemicals? Does this sound impossible? In this short video, we'll show you how to make a natural floor cleaner with just 3 ingredients. And not only will it clean the floor and bring the shine back, but your home will also smell fantastic. All ingredients are very affordable and easily available. So let's start. The first thing you need is half a liter of hot water in a jug or small bucket. Then add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, an extremely effective and natural ingredient for cleaning floors. Its mild abrasive properties help remove stubborn stains and dirt from the floor surface. In addition, baking soda neutralizes unpleasant odors, leaving the space fresh and clean. Using baking soda to clean floors is an environmentally friendly alternative to chemical agents. Then add 100 milliliters of vinegar. Vinegar is a natural solvent of fats and impurities. In addition, vinegar has antibacterial properties that provide disinfection of the floor surface. Thanks to its acidity, vinegar effectively removes scale and mineral deposits from floor surfaces, making them shiny and impeccably clean. Finally, add 1 spoonful of dried lavender, mix well, and let it cool. This ingredient is optional, which means you can add it according to your own choice. However, using lavender to wash floors brings a number of benefits. Lavender releases a pleasant scent that creates a feeling of freshness in the room. It has antimicrobial properties that contribute to the cleaning and disinfection of floors, and its scent has a relaxing and soothing effect. And most important of all, lavender is an excellent repellent against moths, mosquitoes, ants, cockroaches, bedbugs, and other insects, making your floor insect repellent. Next, strain everything so that the dried lavender is removed and mix the liquid you have left with 5 liters of water, and it's ready for washing floors. You can use a mop or cloth to apply this magic natural formula. You've created a superior and natural cleaning agent. In addition to floors, you can also use it to wash the bathroom and all other similar surfaces. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on how to clean a frying pan with burnt-on grease naturally. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.